What if the biggest thing holding you back financially isn't your job, your skills, or even your income, but the way you earn money? Most people are taught to follow a simple path: go to school, get a job, work hard, and earn a steady paycheck. It sounds safe, and for a while, it works. But there's a hidden problem in this model that almost nobody talks about. As Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." That statement hits hard because it exposes a truth many people ignore. When you're an employee, you're trading your time for money. And time is the one thing you can never increase. No matter how dedicated or ambitious you are, you only have 24 hours in a day. So if your income depends on the hours you work, there's always going to be a limit. You can try to earn more per hour, get a raise, switch jobs, climb the ladder, but at the end of the day, you're still tied to your time. You're still in the system. This is what many call the employee trap. It feels stable, but it quietly keeps you stuck. You get paid once for your effort, and then you have to start over again the next day. There's no leverage, no multiplication of your effort, just a constant cycle of working and earning. Now compare that to how wealthy people think. They focus on building assets, things that generate income over time. Instead of getting paid once, they create systems that pay them again and again. That could be investments, businesses, or anything that continues to produce value without requiring constant attention. The key difference is simple. Employees work for money, while assets make money work for you. This doesn't mean you need to quit your job tomorrow. In fact, your job can be your starting point. It gives you the income and stability to begin building something on the side. The real shift is in your mindset. Instead of relying only on your paycheck, you start asking, how can I create income that isn't tied to my time? Start small. Learn skills that can scale. Invest even if it's a small amount. Build something once that can pay you multiple times. Over time, these small steps can grow into something powerful. Because the goal isn't just to work harder. It's to build freedom. And freedom comes from having control over your time, not just your income. So take a moment and ask yourself, are you going to keep selling your time? Or start building something that works for you?